people. What's playing at the cinema right now? Rewrite? These nerds? Junk World, yes, that looks amazing. My Grandma. I'm sure that's what it's called. Ooh, Adam Driver. Megadopoulos. Ooh, the Audrey Plus. I haven't heard of that. A little bit hot today. Approaching 35 degrees, 300% humidity. But we've got thrift stores to go to, football games to go to, and proper music to play. So come along with me on a little Saturday jaunt into the countryside. Saitama, let's go. Like the council houses, beautiful graveyard next to it. Check this out. If you've ever watched Cardcaptor Sakura, you know. Wow, amazing hand-drawn map. Peace, quiet, and a custard bread.
Perfect.
Look at this dude. Spending his Saturday flying a drone. Wonderful. Cute little bench. Made it to hard off house, middle of nowhere. Never been to this one actually. It looks a little smaller than I thought, so who knows. Games, nerd stuff, clothes, boom.
Congratulations.
Well, prices straight off the bat in their cabinet are outrageous. Look at this. I want this 2DX controller. You can get that online for like 10,000. What are you talking about? Nope. Nope. A PS4 Pro limited edition for that? No. No. They're going crazy. What are you talking about? I mean, obviously, Monkey on the Game Boy Advance is worth that, right? Nope. Ooh. I mean, we get into the stuff that nobody cares about, and yes! What is that? Star Fox Guard for 500 yen. Is that good? I think so. That's a get. I mean, 300 yen. Giddy Giddas. What is that? That looks amazing. Yeah, boy. Whoosh, check this out. The Wii is paying off. Well, Wii U, little toad in the hole, 500 yen. Amazing animals. What is that? Love it. And look at that, Twilight Princess for 500 yen. You're joking me. Wario Shake, that's awesome. What a game. What a game. Play it. If you've not played it, play it. Bazara 2. What is that? Bazara 2. 330 yen. What a little pile. Sexy little box. Ni no Kuni. Oh, Super Monkey Ball 2. Nice. GameCube. Dead Rising on the Xbox 360. Nice price. Porn games, okay. We'll allow it. Look at that bad boy. What's that on? That's just a movie, you dickheads. Ah, you bellends. Paniku-chan. What? Good lord. What is that? Is that a butthole?
Careful!
Oh dear. Oh dear. Police. A 3DO game. Just straight up anime. Sweet. Raiden 3 is as expensive as a house. Good lord. Want it. Yoshinoya PS2 game, yes. But expensive. Whoa. Ooh, I used to watch this anime. It's a PC game. Questionable PC game. A little soundtrack. Nice. Some really colourful stuff on this end bit. Yeah. What is this? Panel de Pon. Awesome. On the SNES. Looks great. Little slot game. Love it. Love all these types of games. Oh yeah. Super Hang On. Mega Drive. How about a Zelda alarm clock? Yeah. That's cool. Whoa. This Gundam laser blade. I don't know if it's Gundam, but oof. I'm gonna afford that. Let's get that. Oh, these are like full on turn into Kamen Rider toys. You get a belt, you get a phone, you become him. Droid Inventor Kit. Yes. 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 The absolutely legendary junk aisles where it is absolute junk, but I love it. Look at that. Kingdom Hearts CD holder. What? Kind of. Ooh. Legendary. The McDonald's fries speaker. Yes. Yeah, most of it's cables, just piles of cables. Remote. You want a random aircon remote? Of course you do. Of course you do. Headphones, sewing machines, what? And then all the PC parts and stuff. You know, I've never bought anything in the junk section that hasn't worked. So you can pick up, look, a monitor for 1.5. Beautiful. They'll work. Nothing wrong with them. The best place to start a new hobby. Want to become a film director? You got it. Yeah. Want to get into spacetology? That's what it's called. Get a telescope. Really good stuff in the junk game area here. What we got? We got some Beatmania 2DX controllers for like 2,750 yen. That's good. That is good. Good prices. Oh. Big fat boy PS2s, only 1,000 yen. Amazing. Loads of wheels. 500 yen SNES. That's a doable price. How much are your Wii's? You know that they're working. You know they are. 1,000 yen for a Wii U. Immense prices. How much for a PS1? What are we looking at here? What are we playing with? I think it's free. 300 yen. Boom. What a banger. 300 yen. Come on. Street Fighter 2's butt. Oh, some boxed sets in the junk. Ooh. Artwork, people. Artwork. Nothing in this one. What did I find? Ah, yes. Golf Paradise for 100 yen. Tasty. And Puyo Puyo. What is that? Fiber. Fever. I can read. Awesome. 100 yen. And this, which is like the carnival games on the Wii. Yes, 100 yen. Can't go wrong. I feel bad that I'm probably not going to pick these up. Mega Man headphones for 1,000 yen. What do you think about them? Ooh. I was digging in the VHSs. They got tons of these like drift racing VHSs. Someone's collection. Tons of Disney, obviously. Blank tapes. But look at this. United Kingdom World Travel Guide. Sealed. You know I'm picking that up. That's my little VHS collection. Bon Jovi. The best of 100 yen. What? Clockwork Orange on VHS. Holy moly, what a find. Yes. What else we got? Last Boy Scout. Might not pick that up. My Fair Lady on VHS. I just love the Japanese with the classic movie. It's amazing. That's 100 yen. And Wizard of Oz, the original, 100 yen, or in Japanese. I do like that. Pick that up. This is a full set of train videos. So just train journeys throughout Japan. And you even get this little unit to hold it in. 1,000 yen. Ooh, Judge Dredd the movie. I'm a big 2000 AD fan. Judge Dredd the movie on Laserdisc for 100 yen. Come on. Oof. The junk records and a couple of bins of Laserdisc. My god. You know how heavy these boys are. Oh my god. Nah, we do not want to be finding classic movies that oh my god. Yeah, we do. Yeah. Well, I had a dig. Oh, look at this. Cocoon. Look at the Japanese. Wow. Predator. Roger Rabbit. This anime that I used to watch, can't remember the name. Magical Girl, Pretty Sammy. Classic. Trigun. Wow. Dick Tracy. Yes. And Death Becomes Her. Absolute classic. Absolute bangers. Fantastic. Now I know you're screaming at the TV or PC, wherever you're watching this on, and saying, Max, what do you do with these Laserdiscs? I don't have a Laserdisc player, but I mean, they just are, aren't they? Perfect. I've got to get out of here. It's intense. There's just too much stuff. I want to buy it all. Stop it now. Star Wars Trilogy Definitive Collection Laserdisc set. Look at this bad boy. Jeez. Whoa. I think it's actually missing one. Oh well. Ooh, electric violin. The clothes area don't look so good, I've got to say. Much of a nothing. I am after some skirt pants. thought that was immense. This is all women's, that's crap. But we're not really here for clothes, to be honest. Oh, it's shirts. How boring. Ooh, secret home and toy section. Let's have a look. Oh, let's get that out. This is build your own game. Voxels. Oh, that's cool. Mr. Donut Pokemon board game. Tons of really good household stuff. If I had a car, I'd be all over it like that. Look. Beauty pole, love it. Premium massage cushion. My chair looks so comfy. Speakers in it and stuff. Stay away from the jigsaw puzzles, Max. You can't carry them. I love the jigsaws. I'm all into it. I'm all about it. And my globes. What the hell is that? That's the greatest chair I've ever seen. Come on. Wow. Wooden football.
Japan.
Actually really good stuff in that. A little hard off. I don't think it's been visited by the gaijin, if you know what I mean, the foreigners. Anyway, let's go. What in the England is that? CFS furniture shop, mate. What a beautiful baby. Hello. Do you have a home? Oh, are you an Omiya supporter? Oh. Can't buy. Well deserved. Fun club. Hey. Oh,